Get your knife.
Check the knife.
The knife is dull. I need to sharpen my knife. Use the steel rod.
Hold the knife firmly.
Move the knife up and down.
Keep the right angle.
Be careful with your hand.
Wipe the knife with a cloth.
The knife is sharp now.
Put the knife back in the holder. Don't touch the blade.
Always sharpen before work.
Keep your knife clean.
Sharpen slowly and evenly. Check the edge with your thumb. Wipe the blade carefully. Wet the stone before sharpening. Use the knife sharpener. Turn on the grinding machine. Flip the knife and sharpen the other side.
Check if the edge is sharp.
Always sharpen before work.
Keep your knife clean.
Don't press too hard. Can you show me the right angle?